my way to get my first chemical peel. I'm gonna update y'all like as far as like the progress of the peel. So this vlog probably won't go up until it's over with. We're gonna go to cause I want some pizza. We was talking about it yesterday. I should have showed y'all her outfit. Her outfit real cute. It's my skin and like natural, they like, it's not that bad. So I left my vlogging camera in the car. I'm just signing some papers right now. I guess it's like a consent form or whatever. Here. So yeah, I'm so excited. Can't wait. We don't do no gossiping. We don't do no arguing. We don't. It's really relaxing. I haven't got anything done yet, but she's about to come in here and tell me about my skin. I probably look a mess this way, but yeah, I'm so ready. You're looking. This is not the VIP pill. Okay. This is a face reality pill. Okay. And this is an acne pill. It's a self-neutralizing pill. So after tonight, you don't have to worry about like cleansing. You're actually gonna let this kind of stay on the skin for about 5 hours. Okay. What I'm using on you now is just a green tea pomegranate cleanser. Very mild. There's nothing really active in it. This will kind of be like an everyday like cleanser for you. Okay. Your skin's actually not that bad though. I did see a before and after pictures.
Yeah, you saw it.
Yes. They actually looked really good though. I was like, those look
That's
really
what that
good.
Koji so really helped.
Yes. So again, if it's non-pore clogging, keep using it. Okay. But if it is though,
how can you tell? Do you check it?
I can check it, but I'm going to send you home with the pore clogging list as well. Okay. Okay. So that way, if you do run into anything else that you might want to try, you can just check it on your own. Okay. But this one though, once you actually start to peel, and flake a little bit.
How long does it take?
It does depend on the individual. Okay. Some people see it the following day. Some people see it 2 days in. Sometimes it lasts for a week, and sometimes it lasts for a couple days. So it really just depends on the individual. However, as long as you are peeling, you are not going to use any active ingredients. Okay. That's salicylic, retinol, mandelic, any AHAs of any kind.
So don't use the Koji soap.
Kojic you actually can. That's actually not an AHA. It's just a brightening agent. You can use those. You can use a papaya because it is a fruit-based exfoliation.
It's supposed to have papaya in it or something. The Koji soap, the one that I have.
Yeah, okay. if that's got that in there, you're fine. Okay. But once you start flaking, you're actually not going to touch your face at all. No. You'll be doing your videos. You can actually do your makeup, but all like scrubbing and flaking off and no.
Okay. No, I won't be doing no makeup.
So it's like I don't want you to touch your face at all. Okay. Because I just want you to flake. Like that's the process where you're really just gonna flake. Okay. So first step, we're just gonna do a glycolic toner, and that's to degrease the skin. You should feel some tingling, but if you don't, that's absolutely fine. So tonight you'll be fine. Starting tomorrow, you're just gonna cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Okay. 1 through 10, what do you feel? 2. 2? Nice. Not bad. And this is just to help dry it. Nothing too crazy.
I have to open my mouth because my nose, I got sinus.
Same here. I don't know. I haven't smelled anything like correctly in like 2 years, so you're fine.
I know. Oh my goodness.
You're fine. Like I don't know what's going on.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what can we take for that?
I mean, I try to take allergy medication, but even allergy medication doesn't help me. Yeah. It doesn't help me. Like I've had to stop using certain products that we have here because it makes me I'm allergic to it, and that messes with my sinuses. So girl, I just think Chicago weather needs to be better. That's all that is. That's all that is.
It's a good workout for my arm.
Oh, I like that tattoo.
Thank you.
Okay. Second layer. I'm excited for you to like actually start peeling.
I thought it was gonna be like really bitty bad.
No, no, no. As we go up though, you might get a little bit more, but the milder ones are usually pretty mild. This is the third layer.
How many layers?
3. Usually 3 if you can handle it.
Okay. Alright y'all, so I just got in a car from having my first chemical peel. I forgot to bring my camera, I don't know why, but I filmed on my phone a little bit of it. So she just did a mild chemical peel. It's not one of the ones that you see on Instagram, YouTube, where it drastically peels. So it's like basically, I am gonna have some peeling, but not this much, but yeah. So,
yeah, they are.
2 Giordano's, y'all. It's window's dirty.
No, my window's not dirty. It's snow.
Okay, boy. Don't do too much. Ooh, it's cold as fuck. Say, hey girl, show me your outfit, girl. What do you have on today? What do you have on? Quiet this whole time. Like you ain't been saying nothing.
No, I have listened to talk. Come on, man. I'm looking ugly. What is you on? Stop.
Boy, show me your outfit, Layla. What's your outfit? Yeah, you want to point to your daddy? Yeah.
You said
no.
lemonade, right?
Lemonade with no ice. One with no ice. This one just came out the blue, y'all.
My man's cap.
What is this?
Rough.
Larry like beggars. He likes that dirty stuff.
First off, it's not dirty, and the best piece of Chicago. Yeah, it's Phil's piece.
Thank you.
Dude.
No, it's hot. Look at baby.
Really?
Boy, don't try it. Don't you try. He chowed down on the pieces. Let me tell y'all, I had these mozzarella sticks. He didn't damn near ate the whole roll.
You alive?
And he did and the sauce. Go ahead. And what's your song? It don't make any sense. Do it, Layla.
You better not say
it, Layla. It don't make any sense.
Don't let her get you in trouble. You know what's up.
I told Larry to get a separate box, y'all, so he can get his pizza. He gonna say, so make sure you get me a box when you go in the house. I don't want to come back in this mess. I don't want to come back in this mess.
Well, I can't. I got out in this mess to take your.
And then, y'all, let me tell you something. Larry saw some. Come on, let's go out this exit. No, you supposed to exit through the front door. Sometimes them exits only mean exit only if in case of an emergency.
No, it did not say in case of no emergency.
I didn't say it said in case of emergency. I said only them exits. Them exits are only sometimes in case of an emergency.
I hear you, big fella.
So he told him it's right here. He just really think he know it all. I went out the front door. He gonna go.
The exit was right there. They locked the door.
But
think you
yes,
know it all.
because why? Why they lock the door? Why? They don't want nobody going out that way. Especially it's a place where you think somebody gonna steal. You know, or run out because they don't want to pay for their food. They of course they're gonna have those doors locked. So you go out the front door. And he gonna try to exit. He gonna try to exit on the side.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna lock them.
He just think he know it all. This man, I don't even think they know it all. should have recorded him going out that door.
You know what you should have recorded? These nuts in your mouth.
In your mouth, you asshole. I'm gonna put some nuts in his ass.
Nah.
So he can shit nuts.
Nah. Put some nuts in your mouth.
No, I'd rather put them in your ass than my mouth. What you say, Layla?
That's right. Get out here and throw some salt down, bitch.
She think that's funny.
Hey.
Damn.
Hey, nigga. Hey.
Boy, and what you was gonna do?
Careful, nigga.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
You ain't gonna do nothing. Shit hitting my car.
Of course, this ain't my car. And I'm not complaining.
You say what?
This ain't my car and I'm not complaining.
Girl, be quiet.
That's his favorite line. Girl, be quiet. Y'all, I saw Drake baby mama. She is on all that.
Hey, leave Drake baby mama alone. She ain't did nothing to you.
She ain't have to do nothing to me. I just saw her. Shoot.
I just think it'd be nice if you don't talk about her. What she do to B.
You must want her or something.
I don't probably want her. What she do to B. Marie? How she make you mad, G?
She didn't make me mad. That's the thing.
All right, leave.
I just said, well, a lot of people say I'm not attractive, so hello.
Who say you not attractive?
A lot of people.
What else though?
Well, and that's me. I have an opinion, just like everybody else.
Well, leave her alone. Be nice.
You be nice.
I'm always nice.
No, you not. You think you know it all.
I think I know these nuts.
And your butthole.
No.
I think it's time for me and Larry to switch it up and for me to take a douche so he can do it in my butt.
Oh my god.
Ain't that right, baby?
I don't know what you talking about.
It's time to douche this booty and get all the toxin out.
You say it's time for a threesome. Another girl, what?
Another boy? Oh, what? Which nigga would have a threesome with us?
No,
let me know.
No. Don't play with me. You a die.
It's gonna be lit. No. Hey, balls in my mouth.
I would think another nigga would get that pussy.
Who got a girl? I mean, don't you ever think? See, that's what this. He's not the same person to have a threesome with. Never, ever.
What kind of shit is that? I'm supposed to let another nigga fuck you.
And what you think I'm supposed to have another girl come in? Girl, bye, please.
I ain't no girl.
Comment down below. Would y'all have a threesome with y'all nigga or y'all woman? Let me know. Cause I came with Larry.
Yeah. Your ass wouldn't do no threesome, no way.
Yes, I would.
No, you wouldn't.
If I was single, I would.
Yeah, here you go with that single shit. No. You did one before.
But that's not YouTube business to know.
Yeah, you told Instagram.
No, I didn't tell Instagram. I ain't tell nobody. See, he just all in my business. Let me tell you. Larry wanted sex all the time.
No, I do not.
Even after he did have sex, he still wants some.
There you go, capping. You lying.
Who lying?
I
ain't lying, y'all.
Like that.
I swear, everybody think I'm lying. Everybody think I'm lying. Everybody think I'm fake. I'm not even lying.
You going to hell with gasoline draws.
Nah, you going to hell. You going to hell with a dick in your ass, gasoline draws, a dick in your mouth.
Chicken up your ass when you go to hell.
A chicken. Yeah. A bunch of stuff to do. Like I said, I want to vlog for the whole month of February because I'm really trying to take care of my skin. So all that makeup I done did, I gotta take care of my skin for this month. And then plus I got the BBL going, so it's just a lot of stuff. And it's a short month. This month about to go back so fucking fast. I'm back. It is day 2. Well, it hasn't even been 24 hours because I got the peel done at 6 o'clock. Oh, I look a mess, y'all. I took a look up. I got the peel at 6 o'clock p.m. yesterday. So 6 o'clock tonight we'll make another 24 hours. It is. Ooh, my hair look like a mess. Put it on my neck. So I'm just going to wrap it here. Whatever. Girl. Okay. My hair up and I'm just going to. Coming back to let you know, or let you know some updates. My face, well, I had like a sore right there, I don't know why, but my face is only peeling around here. It's peeling some right here. To be honest, it was just a mild chemical peel, so it really wasn't going to do much. So yeah, that's it. I am going to be doing another chemical peel. I don't know when, but I definitely will keep y'all updated if I do another one. See you, dolls.